Hi, my name is Ryan with ServiceMaster by Zaba. Today we're in a home in Arlington Heights that is dealing with sewage backup that a lot of homes were affected with because of recent flooding. Thankfully for them in here, water didn't rise too high up. I was able to tell so because this tile here is dry. But some of the tile baseboards still had cracks, and this wall here was affected, that wall there was affected. So we're going to cut the bottom 2 feet of those. Water did make its way outside into this hallway. Because this is concrete, no issue here. We will pressure steam clean and extract here. Water also made its way up to this wall, so we're also going to cut on this wall. Now, in the family room, there was a carpet. We moved it out because we're going to take it back to our warehouse for cleaning. But in here, we're protecting contents with plastic because water damaged this wall on this side, adjacent to the laundry room, this wall right here, and the wall right here, which is adjacent to the garage. What we'll do here is, again, the same thing in the other rooms. We're going to cut the bottom 2 feet, remove the baseboard. You do have to detach that built-in cabinet there. That way we can get the drywall behind it. And then we'll pressure steam clean and extract. Water did make its way to the hallway. We have to cut this wall and this wall and these walls as well. So we'll also be doing a 2-foot flood cut. As you can tell, we already removed the baseboards. We have to remove the trim still, and we'll be pressure washing and steam cleaning in here too. Now for the bathroom, thankfully it seems like it wasn't too affected. I got readings on this wall over here, and as you can see, they also have tile baseboards. That's the only wall we had, but we'll still pressure wash and steam clean in here. That's it for the bathroom. Now in the garage, water did travel underneath the wall and make its way throughout the floor here. As you can see, there's still some water from when it traveled. What we'll be doing in here is removing these 2 panels, seeing if there's drywall behind there that needs to get cut, pressure steam cleaning and extracting the floor here, and just setting up equipment to help dry it out. Now that's just the first level of the home. We come downstairs towards the basement. You can kind of see where the sewage water traveled and how it led down to another drain. Thankfully, it doesn't get up to this wall. You can see it kind of arcs around this way. Now, thankfully, a lot of the water stayed onto that main level. However, a little bit did travel down these stairs. These walls are both concrete, so we're not cutting them, but we will be removing the baseboards. And these walls are drywall. So wherever the concrete stops and drywall begins, we'll be removing the baseboards and doing flood cuts on those. You can see where the sewage water traveled just by the debris that is left on the floor. So we will be pressure washing just a little bit past it. I don't need to pressure wash everything here. We'll make sure to sanitize as well. Now, since water damaged this wall, we're going to make sure to cut open the wall on the other side as well, just so we have both sides of the framing exposed. We want to make sure we can clean and sanitize it 100% because sewage water is category 3 water. That means is it's very contaminated and it has a higher chance of growing mold. You don't want mold in your home. We'll take out the baseboards here, this wood panel, and any drywall. We'll vacuum clean and sanitize just as we're doing everything else, and then we're going to pressure wash in this closet as well. Now, with flood season approaching, a sewage backup could occur in your home as well. So if you do experience a sewage backup or water damage in general, give us a call at 773-647-1985.